Trying to recover your Toast wallet and access your XRP. Even though Toast Wallet shut down in 2020, there's still hope if you have the right recovery details. You'll need your long backup code in JSON format, your passphrase, and your 6-digit PIN. If the app is still on your device, just open it and follow the restore process. If you don't have the app anymore, please be careful when trying to find a copy, since there are a lot of fake Toast wallets that will steal your funds. If you need any help, feel free to contact us. Forgot your PIN? Don't worry, you can often retrieve it using your 6 recovery words. But without a backup or recovery phrase, things get tricky. There are 2 main methods to recover your wallet. First, the backup phrase method. Simply enter your 12 or 24-word phrase and follow the prompts. Second, the recovery key method, which uses your JSON backup code, passphrase, and PIN to rebuild your wallet. Still feeling stuck? Crypto Recovers can assist with forgotten passphrases, broken wallets, or missing backups. We specialize in professional Toast wallet recovery with a no recovery, no fee policy. For a full guide or expert help, check out our blog, links in the description.